Hi, my name is Leanna Farmer, and this is my framework on biodiversity. Community compost, traits, species identities, trophic levels, anthropologic and environmental drives of land use, regulation, environmental conditions, subsides, price and tradition, technology. Biodiversity, birds, arthropod protist, soil microorganisms, fungi, plants, bats, and protists. Land use, grazing, fertilization, mowing, stand age, tree identity, and logging. Ecosystem processing function. Pollination, productive end cycling, seed storage, and decomposing. Ecosystem service and disservice native contributes to people. Provising materials, regulating and culture non-materials.